Sorry about that, folks. What's up, guys and gals? I'm your host, Mike Pugh of the FBC Virtual Channel, and we had a little technical difficulty here. Let's see, is this working? I think it's working. I tried to start my my live. Hold on one second. Let's just try to get this thing in the right position. It looks like the lip sync actually lost its lip sync. I don't know if it lost its lip sync. Hopefully it didn't. I'm your host, Mike Pugh of the FBC Virtual Channel, and you are tuning in to a live setup that I have for I'm just trying to do a UE5 to UE4 comparison test on the lip sync, and obviously this lip sync is not really synced that great, and it's probably because I don't have the lips set up properly, but I'm not sure. I did do my first test run yesterday just to see if the lip sync could work a little better, but hold on one second. If I move my mouth a little closer to the camera, maybe it'll work a little better. I think it's working better at this position, and I will change my position where I'm at. I'm actually sitting in my living room currently, and I just want to see if YouTube is catching this live feed. I don't even know if it's live right now, but I'm gonna look and check real quick. Sorry for looking down, by the way, folks. Yep, it's live. So let me turn down the audio on this thing. And I don't know the name of this character, by the way, but yeah, it's working. It's working cool. It's not that bad. I'm using OBS Studio right now to broadcast live for y'all folks to see this actually working. And I have Unreal Engine 5. Sorry, I moved the microphone. I have Unreal Engine 5 running in the background, trying to load up and download. So hold on one second. I'm going to go out of this mode that I'm in right here, and that's going to freeze a little bit. This is just a setup that I've learned how to do so far since I've been playing around with Unreal Engine and the MetaHuman. So this is a MetaHuman right here. I don't know if y'all folks know anything about MetaHumans, but it would behoove you to give it a try and test it out yourself. If you have a really good computer, great graphics card, you should be able to run all this stuff and get it done with ease. And there's a lot of tutorials out there for people to know how to do it. So hold on one second. I'm gonna go check to see my progress on Unreal Engine 5. So right now Unreal Engine 5 is at 6.5 gigabytes, and my computer's gonna struggle while I'm doing this live session in order to download it, because it requires a lot of RAM usage to download, pretty much, when you're downloading on any computer. So my RAM is being utilized by many different things at the moment, so it may take much longer for this to actually download. So I might choose to back out and pause the live stream session, but let me check on OBS and see if the audio is going through. First thing, audio is going through. That's great. All right, and then let's go back to let's see, Unreal Engine, and back to my character. So yeah, my plans are to use these characters to do a lot of different creative works, and for the most part I like to rap. I'm into rap. I've done a bunch of videos on YouTube for people just to see what I can come up with, just testing, playing around and stuff like that. So for now I'm not going to create those kind of videos yet, but I'm just testing to get the lip sync right. So once I can get the lip sync going really good, then I will go to the next levels using it. So let me go real quick, talking about level, go back to immersive mode and just move the camera in a little bit better, closer, not camera, but the zoom. So yeah, I'm learning that I have to move my mouth a certain way in order to get the lip to look like it's synced, and open my mouth a little bit better, close my mouth a little bit better. So, you know, there's different things like that that you have to work on, and the positioning of your face when you're actually talking into the camera of your webcam, not your webcam, but your iPhone. Actually, this works with iPhone X, iPhone 10, basically, and iPhone 11. I don't know if it works with the iPhone 12, but you have to have the true depth camera technology built into the iPhone in order for it to work for you. So if you have those particular iPhones, you should be fine. Also, it works with those future generation iPads that have the Face ID technology built in and true depth camera. So this is the kind of stuff that you have to have in order to get this running. I'm using an app through my iPhone. It's known as the Live Link app or Live Link Face app. I'm not really 100% familiar with it, but I've been testing it and playing around. Hold on one second. So let me put that toolbar back. Go down so I can find a little bit of information on that. But I've been really enjoying this stuff. It's been interesting in terms of my development process. I'm starting to accelerate a little bit more on my knowledge base and gathering information and building up the ability to do what I can do with it. So yeah, I use this actual graphic here for this live stream because once this Unreal Engine 5 is done downloading onto my computer, I'm gonna do the comparison test. It may be in a additional live stream to this live stream. This, I guess, would be more of like transitional info live stream to get y'all folks to see what I'm about to do. So yeah, let me just try to find. There was a video that I was watching recently on YouTube, and I'll tell you who the creator is, the content creator who came up with it. One of the guys who helped me to understand some of this stuff is from a channel known as JS Films, FILMZ. So this guy, check out his channel. I highly recommend for y'all folks to check it out. If you want to learn more about how Unreal Engine works in general when it comes to trying to create short films and things like that, he really does that kind of work. He's doing a lot, and he's helping the online community to be able to learn how to do it on their own at home, pretty much. If you have a team of people, it would definitely behoove you to give it a try. Or if you're willing to collaborate with people who are interested in doing voice acting and stuff like that, this is his channel here, JS Films. So this is one of the content creators that are really putting out a great deal of effort to help the Unreal Engine community, and for people to transition from being normal content creators to becoming more like a virtual content creator who can create virtual actors, or more like a 3D models slash 3D animation, type actors. So, or avatars. These are like human avatars. So he creates a great deal of stuff, and he's helping a lot of people. So I highly recommend for y'all folks to subscribe to his channel to keep track of his performance. And by the way, I'm gonna put all, because I want to select all of his videos to watch. So every time he loads up a video, I'll be able to see it. You can go to the bell icon and then click all. And then there's another guy. Let me try to find his video. I think it's in my notifications. This guy here, I think his name is Solomon. Not 100% sure on his name. Let me pause this. Yeah, Solomon. So this is Solomon Jagwe, and he is really great as well when it comes to fine-tuning Unreal Engine versus the MetaHuman characters and things of that nature. I don't know 100% about all of his work, but I found him through looking for MetaHuman content, and I found that he has some really useful information that could help you to improve on your lip sync, help you improve on many different aspects and elements of your development process. Say you're into this type of stuff and you want to become a content creator who can come up with virtual actors, digital actors, avatars, whatever they call it, 3D model actors. Using Unreal Engine, it's possible today, and with pretty much ease. As long as you follow some of these tutorials that they come up with, you can do it yourself. But you have to have a really powerful computer, powerful GPU to actually get the best quality and effect out of it. Because if you have a low quality computer, low grade GPU, it's going to be very, very low quality, and some of the stuff is not going to work, and your Unreal Engine will crash a lot, pretty much. So see, this is a lot of the content that he's been coming up with, and he uses other tools as well and other 3D software. So I believe he's into animation, 3D modeling, and things of that nature. So just check it out, Solomon Jagui. And the recent video that I was watching of him, I have to look in my actual library to get to it, because I don't remember and recall exactly where it was on his channel. So I think it was this one, and I can also get to the naming of that thing from Unreal Engine itself, but then I would have to go, let me see real quick. I would have to click the face of the character. This is some of the stuff that I learned from them. So in their channel videos, information and stuff, whatever they come up with, I find from them, and then I try to mirror what they doing. So here it is, Live Link Face. Yep, so it's the Live Link Face app. I'll do a video to help y'all folks to also learn how to do it. Probably a very short video, but you basically have to link together your iPhone through your IP address on your computer. So you have to look at your IP address on your computer, link it together, and then eventually you'll be able to tie in through here where it says default Live Link Face subject. You have to click the little down arrow and search for the phone. And from that point, look, I just lost the face. I shouldn't have done that. I lost the head control. So yeah, you shouldn't do that kind of stuff while you're performing. But I found a way to fix it. You just hit stop, and it's going to bring back the other character. I think it may bring back the other character. There's another character in there that I got rid of. Yeah, there it is. So, and then I have to click her, select her, and hide her. And now I'm back again, so I can do it. So let's go back to Unreal Engine. But yeah, let me see the video that I was talking about, so y'all folks can see what I was saying, where I was able to learn some stuff off of it. I think it's this one, Unreal Engine. No, not that one, not that one. Hold on one second. Sometimes it's tough, you know, depending on what you're doing, it's tough to find what you've done previously. Here it is, MetaHuman creator for Unreal Engine mouth improvement. So you can type that in on YouTube and find his video, or look through his channel. But it helps you to improve on the mouth lip sync and stuff like that. And you can become much more familiar with the process of how people go into Unreal Engine and perform the connections. They work on these things called blueprints, which look intimidating, but it's really simple once you get to trying it out and playing with it over and over again. Pretty much the developers on Epic Games and through Unreal Engine, they make a lot of things user-friendly when it comes to MetaHuman. All these MetaHuman content that we're coming up with and we're able to generate on our own using their help. A lot of the content and a lot of the videos, they have a lot of tutorials out there. They make the stuff really user-friendly. For me, it took me a while. Like when I first got to it, I'm not an Unreal Engine, you know, more like a person who uses it every day. So I'm not active on Unreal Engine. I'm more into Blender. But ever since the Unreal Engine came up with MetaHuman, I decided to switch over just to see if I can merge into the Unreal Engine world. I figured it was an opportunity for me to do it at that time. And this happened about two or 3 months ago. So there you go with that. I just wanted to put that information out there. Now, let's see. We got 2.6 gigabytes left. And like I said, it's going to take a much longer time because I'm doing all this live stuff. This is the Epic Games launcher, by the way. Let me maximize it. And if you never downloaded Epic Games on your computer, I highly recommend for you to do it, because this is how you get into Unreal Engine. Without having Epic Games, the Epic Games launcher, you won't have the Unreal Engine on your computer, and you won't be able to do any of this stuff. So it would behoove you to get this for sure. So once you download Epic Games, well, you obviously have to create an account first. So you go in, try to get Epic Games off of the, I guess it's the Unreal Engine website. I don't know if it's Epic Games website, but you go in, get Unreal Engine, not Unreal Engine, you get Epic Games launcher off of the Unreal Engine website, I think. So let's do unrealengine.com, copy it. I just want to bring it up real quick on the screen. That's Blender. That's my live stream. And this is a 404 image error that I was showing before in the past on my channel. All right, so it's unrealengine.com. And then I guess you go to download. Let's see. Download. Yeah, so download Unreal Engine. Then they have different licensing options. So there's different things you can choose, but I recommend, if you're brand new to all this stuff, go to creator's license rather than the publishing license. And then download that, hit download now, and then you should be in like Flynn on your computer once you get it on your computer. Then they have this little Epic Games launcher icon. You got to double click it to get it started. So I just wanted, for those who are brand new to my YouTube channel and to 3D modeling, 3D animation, any of this stuff, you're trying to get into MetaHuman and all that, first you got to do that stuff as a precursor and build it up into your computer, get it running, and then you'll be able to start launching it. Once you get on the Epic Game Launcher or whatever, you got to go to library. And then from library, you launch. So you usually start out here on UE4. This is the older one. This is the newer one, UE5. So it usually starts at UE4. Once UE4 is phased out, they're going to move UE5 over to UE4 over here, more than likely, because it wouldn't make any sense to have it here. But right now, UE5 is in early access, so they're transitioning over, so that's why they put it up over here. But if you wanted to try out the Epic Games Unreal Engine 5 early access, you can go from here. So you go download early access, and like I said, obviously you have to have this launcher to do it. Without the launcher, it's not going to work for you. But this is the best thing about it in terms of what I'm trying to do. MetaHumans are compatible with Unreal Engine 5. So this MetaHuman stuff that I was showcasing in my last video and this video, and the comparison between the two in terms of lip syncing, if it's going to work out for me or not, this is possible because the developers made it possible to upgrade through Unreal Engine 5 and also gain the benefits as a MetaHuman tester. If you're into testing it, you're into the early access of MetaHuman, and you are becoming a content creator through MetaHuman, boom. This is the huge benefit. If you didn't watch my previous videos or anybody else's videos in this arena of 3D modeling using Unreal Engine and Epic Games, different things that they're offering, the MetaHuman creator software is available as well. But that comes through differing things that you have to do. You have to sign up for early access. Once you gain the early access, then you can do it through a web version, more like a web browser based generator. So the MetaHuman creator is through a web browser. It's not through an actual download on your computer like Epic Games Launcher is in UE4 or 5. So keep that in mind. And then this other thing known as Quixel Bridge. Now, Quixel Bridge is more like a link and more of a communication bridging between Unreal Engine and the bridge itself. So Quixel was a company in the past that Unreal Engine, I believe, bought out, and they took a lot of their different things that they had available, and now they can utilize it as a bridge to bring content over to Unreal Engine from within the Quixel bridge itself. So they built MetaHuman's linkage and bridging capability directly from the online cloud version of the MetaHuman creator and via the Quixel bridge, which communicates to your computer, which is pretty crazy that they can do all of that stuff, but it does that. It basically communicates from the cloud and automatically sends the communications to your Quixel bridge. And once you have your Quixel bridge up and running on your computer, you can download the or upload the MetaHumans that you create to Unreal Engine, which is crazy. That is just crazy stuff that you can do all of that. But let me bring myself back over here. Sorry that I was away for too long, but hey, you got to do what you got to do. Let's see. We got 2 people watching. Thanks a lot for watching, folks. By the way, I'm doing this live while I'm running Unreal Engine 5 download in the background, which is crazy to try to do, but my computer is pretty powerful. And talking about computers, let's go in and let me show you real quick about my computer, if I can get to it. Hold on one second, because that's really the key. The master key obviously is to have a pretty powerful computer. If you don't, then you're not going to be able to do much of this stuff. Let's see. And that's quite unfortunate, but hey, you got to roll with the punches. You got to upgrade your stuff. So I'm looking for the control panel. So let me just type in control panel. There it is right there. I should have it on my dock, but I don't have it. I'm going to go into system and bring up the computer real quick. So this is the type of processor I have. AMD Ryzen 9 3900X. I have 12 cores. So it's really, really powerful in terms of processing. 12 cores is really no joke. I got 3.79 gigahertz, I believe. It's a power spec. So I got it from Micro Center. So I highly recommend for folks, if you want a powerful computer, go check out Micro Center. And this is not an ad for them, but I thank them for coming up with this computer because it really is helping me. I don't experience much crashes. The computer doesn't crash at all. I have 32 gigabytes of RAM and a 64-bit operating system, 64-based processor. It cost me around $1,500 or $1,600, I believe. I forgot exactly. So it's not like the top of the line, but it's not the bottom as well. And I'm also running on Windows 10 Pro. So it is pretty good. The graphics card itself, it doesn't show it here, but I believe the graphics card is pretty powerful. Obviously, it's pretty powerful, but I don't know exactly how to look up the graphics card. I should be able to look it up like with ease. I think it's from over here. Display settings. Let's see. Or I could look on the actual computer itself, but actually this is a power spec. It doesn't really have much information on the front of the computer like a lot of Dells and Toshiba and all of that stuff. This is like created by Micro Center itself. So I don't think I can get it from here. Not too sure. I'll figure that information out, and then I'll put that out there on my channel in the description area after I get all that stuff, that information jotted down. So other than that, let's go back to the library, and it is installing right now. So it's done the download process, and now Unreal Engine 5 is installing, and it's very close to complete. It's verifying, and we are almost gaining access to this thing. So if y'all guys and gals are willing to watch, I don't know if I'm going to put up another live stream. I should actually do a pre-recorded session, but I was trying to do live the whole entire process, and maybe I could perform it. Let's see if I can get this thing to complete its download process and verification. I just don't want to drag this out too long. I know it's a live stream, like people be going for hours on the live and stuff like that, so I may be able to stretch it out with other information, other things that I've been working on, things in the background, stuff like that. So let's see, what was this? This was performance, I think, doing performance tests. Yep. So this was like a performance test, and I was recording. I'll show you what I did for my recording, because for some reason I'm not able to really record on Unreal Engine the way that most people are being able to do it using the sequencer slash forgot the other thing that they have there. I think it's the take or something like that. Hold on one second. What is it called? I forgot. I actually forgot what that thing is called. I'm not, like I said, I'm not that great at Unreal Engine, so bear with me. Yeah, it's called the take recorder. So when I bring up the take recorder, it seems like everything's blocked out. If I go in and I try it, let me show you real quick. There's no record button, and it was blocked out when I was trying to record. Actually, this is the sequencer here. So see this? There's no current enabled or valid source to record from. And I'm like, what are they talking about? No current source? Did I delete something? Did I ruin something? Did I mess up the setup? I'm not even sure. So I might have to like totally get rid of this setup, this MetaHuman sample, and then start over from scratch. Now I don't even know how to get rid of the MetaHuman sample. That's how little experience and use I have of this Epic Games Unreal Engine thing. So I'm just blown away that I was able to even get this far. But they made it so user-friendly that even I can use it. Now, I noticed that my lip sync was not working that great because my mouth was actually like leaning down. So I highly recommend for folks to keep their head kind of like up and straight. And if you move your head side to side, that's fine. But try to keep your mouth up, like straight, in terms of you being viewed by your camera, your iPhone camera, your front-facing camera. Make sure that your mouth could be seen really good, so that way the lip sync won't fail so much. But that's that part. Let's see. Let's go back to Epic Games. It's still verifying. You see that stuff? So, man, we don't know how long it's gonna be verifying. It might take a year. I don't know. I'm just playing. Nah, I'm not sure. It might take maybe another 5 minutes or something. I know the last time I went to it, it was about 3 minutes ago. So, yeah. That might take a long time. Let me get rid of some of this stuff in the background. What else I have over here? I have OBS Studio. I have Unreal Engine 4. That's that one. The one that I'm running currently. I have another web browser. Let's shut that off. And we got a bunch of folders. Let's close all these folders. And what else do we have? Let's close all these. Whole bunch of images. And actually, what's this? AMD Radeon software. Radeon driver versions do not match. Please try again after uploading.